249 million, 210 million, 160 million. These aren't lottery numbers. They're the views of one creator's 30-second videos. His name is Zack D, and he hit 24.6 million subscribers. His formula is so powerful, it's basically cheating. But here's the twist. I cracked his entire system, and I can recreate it using $0 and free AI tools. Watch this.
Imagine waking up in total darkness, only to realize you're inside a coffin, and somehow you've been buried alive. Today, medical checks make this nightmare almost impossible, but in the 19th century, gravediggers opened old coffins and found deep claw marks carved into the wood, proof that some corpses had woken up too late. Terror spread fast, so inventors created a desperate solution. They tied a string around the hand of the supposedly dead, ran it up through the soil, and attached it to a tiny bell above ground.
Creators everywhere are scrambling to copy him. The pacing, the edits, the storytelling, because his style didn't just get popular, it took over the entire platform. And honestly, I get it. The guy cracked the code. Zack D isn't just another creator. He's the Elon Musk of YouTube Shorts. A 50-person production team, animators, designers, editors. He spends $3,000 per short, and the numbers prove why. Over 56 billion views. Let that sink in. Billion. He's pulling an estimated $75,000 to $1.2 million per month. Crazy, right? But here's the problem. Most of us don't have a team. We don't have $3,000, and we definitely don't have time to fail 20 times to figure it out. So I went full mad scientist, tested every free AI tool, broke everything, rewrote hundreds of prompts, until I finally discovered a zero-cost workflow that recreates Zack D's entire cinematic style. And I'm not kidding. Once you learn this, you can make 5 to 10 viral shorts a day with no budget, no team, nothing but free AI. So today, I'm recreating one of his viral videos step by step. Watch closely, because once you see the final result, you'll understand exactly why his style works and how you can start doing it too. Hit like and subscribe, because we're not here to waste time. We're here to take over. Step 1, idea and script. First, open the document with all the prompts and tools. We're not randomly inventing ideas. We're using prompts engineered to generate deeply emotional, cinematic short stories that hook viewers instantly. Copy the idea prompt into ChatGPT. You'll get several powerful story ideas built around real emotions, real events, and real stakes. Pick the one that hits you the hardest. Next, take the script plus scene prompt and paste it into ChatGPT with your chosen idea. This generates your full script narration dialogue, if any, and a shot-by-shot cinematic visual breakdown. If you want a guaranteed viral format, you can also take an existing short videos of Zack D films, copy the link, paste into, extract the transcript free tool, copy the transcript, paste into ChatGPT, and use the rewrite prompt to turn it into a brand new story with identical pacing but original wording, and hit generate.
You got your script.
And now copy the second prompt, paste it to ChatGPT, hit generate. By the end of step 1, you have a complete script. You have every scene described visually. Step 2, image creation with Nano. Now we generate your visuals. Take your first scene description from ChatGPT and paste it into Nano. Instantly, you get a stylized cinematic image. Nano creates square images by default, so upload any 9 to 16 reference picture, tell it to match that aspect ratio, regenerate, and boom, it fits perfectly for shorts. Repeat for each scene until you have a full folder of images representing your entire video. Step 3, voiceover with 11 Labs. Now give your story a voice. Go to 11 Labs, paste your script, choose a voice that matches your tone, and generate the narration. The key is choosing a voice that feels natural and emotional. Download your final voiceover. Step 4, animation with Grok. This is where your images come alive. Open Grok, go to the Imagine tab, and upload your first scene image. It will automatically start animating, but you'll get better results by adding a short movement prompt. Within seconds, you have a cinematic animated clip, sometimes with built-in atmospheric sound. Repeat for every scene until your full story is animated. Step 5, editing in CapCut. Time to assemble your film Zack D style. Open CapCut, drop all your animated clips onto the timeline. Add your voiceover. Align every scene with your narration. Add transitions, sound effects, whatever gives it flow. Hit export, and just like that, you've created a full cinematic AI short for free. This becomes your new daily system. ChatGPT, story, Nano, images, 11 Labs, voice, Grok, animation, CapCut, final edit. Do this consistently, and you can produce 5 to 10 viral-ready shorts per day with zero budget and zero excuses.